Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how I incorporate 20funnels.com with my website reallynicehomes.com, which is hosted with Real Geeks. This was my original buyers, which is on top, buyers page for buyers. I had information about different things we do for buyers and different links for first-time home buyers, foreclosures, and different areas that they can go to, and I give my information about what the things that we can do for them. Basically, all this was in one page from my website, and I had the listings at the bottom part. Okay, so I wanted to replace this, so I was able to go to Convertri and 20 funnels, and I was able to do this page. So now when you go to my website, you go to buying, you're gonna go to this new page we created, which is basically the same thing. I have a clickable map over here where it shows properties from different areas that go directly to the listings from different cities. They can also search for criteria from here. And this is the most important part. In my original page, I had all these links that I had to put. I was able to put them over here. When somebody wants to go to first-time home buyers, they go directly. As you can see, this thing moves very fast. You can go to foreclosures, new construction homes, and all the links I want them to go. So what we did is that we want to show everybody that we have 7 easy steps to buy a house. I was able to add these graphics, very clear about how we process with the buying process with helping people to buy homes, you know. And then also we have these areas where they're going to sign up directly from Google Docs form, which basically they give us the information so we can go ahead and call them at the end. And the page progresses as fast as it can come with great graphics. And at the end, I'm also able to put some videos, and I'm also able to put some an HTML from this place where I can they can schedule a meeting with me directly from the website. So this is how I can do this with 20funnels.com. So here I am in my back end on my Convertri 20funnels.com system. So I'm gonna go directly to the place where I change for buyers, and this is the area where we're going to put the graphics, the text, the videos, and everything that goes with it, and the HTML for the clickable pictures, the links that goes with it, all the nice graphics, text. We can move things around, we can put videos, we can put all kinds of stuff in here. So it's very easy to do this. You know, this is nothing like going to the editing section of the Real Geek site, where you can put these boxes and this text, which is very hard to get them lined up. And so imagine trying to do all this on your Real Geek site. So we are able to put all of this in one place. Once we finish with this, basically we do one thing. So once you have the page exactly how you want it, you're gonna go back over here, and then you're gonna click on those 3 little buttons here, and we're gonna export that page on HTML. And then once you do that, this automatically opens up to another page. Hold on just a minute. Okay, I wanted to fit it over here so you can see it. So this is an HTML that automatically was downloaded to my computer once I went to Convertri, and I exported that particular funnel to HTML. So once I do that, I copy this, and as simple as going to my computer and searching for that particular file, I copy and paste it there. So it will automatically bring me this notepad with all the HTML. So I'm going to copy this. Now the next step we're going to do is, okay, I go to my back end of my website, reallynicehomes.com with Real Geeks. First of all, I want to create a footer, and I created footer number 10. This is very easy to do. Go to footers, and the only thing I put was a single dot. Okay, this is a footer that is only got one single dot. I have that already done. So now once I've done that, I'm going to show you why you're doing this in a minute. So we're going to go to content pages, and we're going to add another page. And we're waiting. Okay, over here we're going to put the name of the page. Okay, so we can move very quickly. I just named this page testing 20 for testing 20 funnels. This is the slug testing 20. We're gonna go to page with search. We're going to go over here to the source code and we're gonna put HTML right there. So once we do that, automatically all that page that you created in Convertri comes over here to your Real Geeks site. We're not gonna do nothing with the landscape image. The sidebar and footer, the only thing you need to do is leave the sidebar on default or whatever you have on your website. And the footer, we're going to change it to number 10, the one that I created, because we only want one single dot. We want to be able to show just that, so they won't interfere with this part. Capture forms, leave it blank. Proper display, leave it blank. Search form, leave it blank. Save. Now we're going to be able to see what we have created using 20 funnels. We're gonna go over here testing 20 and we're going to see actually view on site, see what it looks like, and it's exactly what we had before. We put everything in there directly on reallynicehomes.com/testing20. So just want to show you the URL. Okay, here it is. This is my URL, reallynicehomes.com/testing20. So basically the whole funnel that we created on 20funnels.com, we're able to incorporate it directly over here and everything works perfect. So when you go over here, all the links that you put in there also is going to work right here. Go to first time home buyers, go directly over there. So basically everything is working. So now I'm going to show you the next step. So in my website, basically I incorporated all this on top except the front page. Obviously this is something where it's going to show the sidebar. So basically I was able to do the buying just like you saw over here. I have the buying. I'm able to put the selling, which is it gives me a new way how to show my services with selling. As you can see, you see this little thing that popping up over here. This is social sharing of the things that I have done, which is the houses that we sold. So when somebody's reading this, they can see that we actually sold some houses. And what is good about it is that I can put anything really that I want to put to make sure that my point gets across. And that is exactly what is providing me to do that. You can put different type of images, and most importantly, you know, you can put some videos, and you don't have to worry about the speed of your page. That is the most important thing when it comes down to the speed of the page. Before we go and show you that, I'm going to show you also the same thing that I done for in Spanish. You know, you can just copy, do a clone of the page and copy the whole page and translate it to Spanish if you want to, just like I did over here. It's the same page with this different for different people, and basically I was able to show the same 7 steps in Spanish. Foreclosures the same way, which is something that is very important for me, is the videos, because the videos attracts a lot of leads for me. So basically I'm able to put all these videos and the reasons why they should stick with me, and giving that information to them directly from my page without leaving reallynicehomes.com, and giving them access to all the videos that I have, so I can show them how we can help them, you know, find foreclosures, for example, and we can work with investors that way. So let me show you one more thing so you can see the power of 20funnels.com when it comes down with incorporating it to Real Geeks website. Is the speed of these pages are incredible. So I was able to go over here and create this page with videos and my 20funnels.com, and I put just a random number of videos and pictures so you can see. We did the same thing in reallynicehomes.com. So here is my the same page in reallynicehomes.com, which is in Real Geeks, and we use the all method, which I put all the stuff, the same videos, the same text, the same number of videos, the same pictures, the same text on each side, so I can test the speed of this page on Real Geeks versus what I did over here with the same videos and the same images. So we're going to publish this page, and this is the ultimate published page. So now we can take the URLs of these pages and we can use this site. It's called Pingdom, which is a speed test for websites. So basically over here I'm putting the reallynicehomes.com speed test, which is this one. Okay, this is the one that I created on my website. It's directly on reallynicehomes.com. So we take this URL, we put it on the speed test. I'm gonna refresh this so you can see this is reallynicehomes.com/speed test, and this is going to tell us how long does it take to load. In this case, it's 4.13 seconds. Okay, now I took the same page and I converted to Convertri, which is the 20 funnels, and let me show you this one. So it's the same page, so I'm just going to show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to copy this, and this is the same page, which is basically directly from the funnels, same number of videos, same text, and the pictures a little bit better. They're a lot bigger, wider, and you put the text in the middle. So we're going to take that and we're going to test it. So we're going to refresh it. So the first one was over 4 seconds. This one is 2.18 seconds, almost double the amount of time it takes to open up the same page with the same number of videos, the same number of text. That is what's going to make a difference on SEO for your website. Now, if you ask yourself, then once I go to Convertri and I can put my sites directly on my website at a faster speed, and which is going to give you something that you don't have access to right now, which is giving you a lot of bling, a lot of stickiness for your website, where you can put stuff in there, and don't be afraid to put videos, don't be afraid to put pictures and links, because this is going to be faster than a normal regular editing version of your Real Geeks content. So this is why I'm very excited about 20funnels.com, because I love the things that done to my website, and because of that, you know, I am happy for it because it brings me a lot more leads. Hopefully this helped you understand why you should get 20 funnels, especially if you have Real Geeks.